Hey everybody, here is a 2002 Bryant Coastal central air conditioner running. And I tell you what, it is a blessing that this thing still works. The base pan on the unit has practically rotted through. There is like no base pan left. That's pretty crazy. I don't think I've ever seen it rot that bad. It's amazing that it still has a charge in it, being as how the coil is rotted through. I believe it is a 2002, I think that's a 3-ton. The data sheet is faded since the last time I was here. She's got a new disconnect because it was relocated, a new pad too. But yeah, thought I'd grab a video on that. I'm amazed it's still here. I expected it to be gone. See you guys in the next one.